basically there was nothing here. As you see, there was just grass and weeds. And they asked me to do a pool with a cabana concept and a sports court. And we just put it together with a designer, and we gave them what the homeowner wanted. The biggest challenges were just what's underground. There's a ton of wiring, tubing, piping underground, and before you see all this, you just see basically a highway of cables and tubes that cannot be damaged in the process of building everything. I just love how it comes together. I just love how you see the customer's reaction when they come home every day, and they're so happy to see, you know, they're getting what they want. They're liking the product. They're liking how it turns out. When maybe they were hesitant or they were very nervous about you know, how things would turn out, and they're happy and delighted at the end of the project. That's the most rewarding thing. Rental assistance is phenomenal for the consumer. I walk into maybe 100 jobs a year, and 10 of them tell me they were ripped off by another contractor. They've lost money. They're already in the negative with their project. So somebody who's out there vetting contractors, I think, is an absolute plus for the consumer. We know we have a good reputation, and getting that out there to people is sometimes the hard part. So when people come to rental assistance, they know that they're dealing with great contractors and good people. We have, you know, WSIB, insurance for any damage, insurance for theft, fire, etc. Anything that could go wrong on the project, we're covered fully, 100% top to bottom. Rental assistance provides a renovation advisor, which is great for me and for the client. They provide that bridge, that communication, and as I provide the quote or the estimate, we go back and forth, and that communication is kept all by the renovation advisor. It's phenomenal. It's a win-win situation for the homeowner and for myself, because there's always somebody keeping that communication. The homeowner's never left in the dark, and I'm not left not knowing what the customer or the homeowner wants.